There's a tree so powerful that in some parts of the world, it's called the miracle tree. Why? Because every single part of it, the leaves, the seeds, even the roots, is packed with nutrients that could fight disease, boost your energy, and even protect you from deadly conditions like diabetes and heart problems. And yet, most people have never even heard of it, or worse, they see it growing in their backyard and don't realize it could save their life. That tree is Moringa. Stay with me, because what you're about to discover might completely change how you look at your health. Welcome back to Healthy Horizon. What exactly is Moringa? Moringa oleifera, also called the drumstick tree, miracle tree, or horseradish tree, is native to parts of Africa and Asia. It's been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, but modern research has finally started proving what ancient cultures already knew. Moringa is a nutritional powerhouse. Why Moringa is called a superfood? Let's start with the nutrition, because this is where Moringa truly earns its title as the miracle tree. Think about your daily diet for a second. Most of us rely on oranges for vitamin C, milk for calcium, carrots for vitamin A, bananas for potassium, and yogurt for protein. But here's the mind-blowing truth. Moringa leaves can actually outshine all of them, gram for gram. 7 times more vitamin C than oranges. You know how we're told to eat oranges when we catch a cold? Imagine a plant that delivers 7 times more immune-boosting power. That means stronger defenses against infections, faster recovery, and better overall energy. 4 times more calcium than milk. If you thought milk was the best for strong bones and teeth, think again. Moringa provides more calcium naturally, without the added fat or lactose that many people struggle with. It's like nature's perfect bone strengthener. 4 times more vitamin A than carrots. Carrots are famous for improving eyesight, but Moringa packs 4 times more vitamin A. That means sharper vision, healthier skin, and better protection for your immune system, all from one handful of leaves. 3 times more potassium than bananas. Athletes love bananas for muscle function and hydration, but Moringa has 3 times more potassium, which supports heart health, balances blood pressure, and keeps your muscles and nerves working at their best. 2 times more protein than yogurt. Protein is essential for building and repairing cells, especially if you're active. Moringa gives you plant-based protein that's easy to digest, making it perfect for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone wanting a clean source of strength. Now pause and let that sink in. 1 plant, 1 tree, giving you more nutrients than your entire fruit basket combined. And the best part, unlike some supplements that are processed in factories, Moringa grows naturally, straight from the soil, waiting to be picked. It's almost like nature designed it to be a complete multivitamin in leaf form. Top health benefits of Moringa. 1. Boosts immunity and fights infections. With over 90 nutrients and 40 antioxidants, Moringa supercharges your immune system. In countries struggling with malnutrition, Moringa is often used to bring weak children back to health. It strengthens your body from within, making it easier to fight off infections, flu, and even long-term health conditions. 2. Balances blood sugar levels. One of the most fascinating benefits of Moringa is how it affects blood sugar. Studies show it reduces blood sugar spikes after meals, making it a natural ally for people with diabetes. It's like having a gentle, plant-based guard that keeps your sugar levels in check, without harsh chemicals. 3. Protects your heart. High cholesterol and clogged arteries are silent killers. Moringa's antioxidants help reduce cholesterol, improve circulation, and lower blood pressure. Imagine protecting your heart naturally, just by adding a spoonful of Moringa powder to your meals every day. 4. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is the root of so many health problems: arthritis, obesity, gut issues, even cancer. Moringa contains compounds like isothiocyanates that reduce inflammation naturally. People who suffer from joint pain often find relief after including Moringa in their diet. 5. Supports brain and mental health. Here's something most people don't know. Moringa is rich in antioxidants that protect brain cells. It also contains vitamin E and vitamin C, which fight oxidative stress, one of the causes of memory loss and mental decline. Some studies even suggest it could improve mood and help with depression and anxiety. 6. Improves digestion and detoxifies the body. Moringa leaves are high in fiber, which keeps your digestion smooth. Its seeds are used to purify dirty water, which shows how powerful they are at removing toxins. Imagine what it can do inside your body, flushing out harmful substances and supporting your liver and kidneys. 7. Great for skin and hair. Because moringa is packed with antioxidants and vitamin A, it nourishes your skin, fights acne, reduces wrinkles, and keeps your hair strong and shiny. No wonder it's now found in many beauty and skincare products. How to use moringa safely. The best part about moringa? It's incredibly easy to use. You can eat the fresh leaves in salads or soups. Brew the leaves into tea. Sprinkle moringa powder on your meals, smoothies, or porridge. Or take it in capsule form if you prefer. But remember, always start small. Half a teaspoon of powder a day is enough to begin with. Too much at once can cause stomach discomfort. Listen to your body as you increase the amount. The bigger picture. Here's something to think about. The World Health Organization has recommended moringa as a food supplement to fight malnutrition in developing countries. That shows just how powerful it is. It's not just about boosting your health, it could literally save millions of lives worldwide. So, now that you know the truth about moringa, the question is, why let such a miracle plant go to waste? Whether you want more energy, better immunity, healthier skin, or protection from serious diseases, moringa might just be nature's most generous gift to us. If this video opened your eyes, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more natural health tips. And tell me in the comments, have you ever tried moringa before? If not, would you consider adding it to your daily routine after hearing this? I'd love to hear your thoughts.